Here it is, the carbon fiber chassis. Big bunch of silly goods. All right, guys, I did a little bit of work on the barrel to deaden it. Okay, so the deadening system I'm messing around with. Boy, it works great. All right, so let's get our music going on beatbox style. Alright guys, it's awesome. It's definitely a laser beam. Let's go down and check out some groups that we were shooting. Alright, these are 4-shot groups. When we first started out, we were getting it sighted in, kind of re-put back all together to check it out. Let's see what we got. We'll reshoot it on camera, but just want to get a little preview of what we got going on here. Alright. 4-shot group. 4-shot group. 4-shot group. Unbelievable. 4-shot group. 4-shot group. 4-shot group. 4-shot group. The very first 4-shot group. This was a whole clip. Another 4-shot group. This was practice I was just messing around with. This was a whole clip. And this was in more wind here, and the wind was really pushing it around. But amazing. Ridiculous. Alright. Just wanted to share, and we'll see it on camera really soon. Thanks for watching, guys.